He who envies others does not obtain peace of mind. A quote by Buddha. Such a powerful, intense negative emotion jealousy is, and hence it is very important that we deal with this the right way. Atma Namaste. I'm Neil Dhara and I help people live soulfully. When we talk about jealousy, there are two people involved. One is the one who's experiencing this emotion, experiencing jealousy within him, and the other is the one who's receiving negative vibrations from the first. Now, the person who's actually experiencing jealousy is in so much of pain. Imagine this feeling of lackness, this feeling that he lacks something, the feeling that he is lesser than somebody, the feeling that his life is not really good, the feeling of dissatisfaction with what he is, what he has, the feeling of being discontent with his own self. It is such a painful emotion to deal with. And so we cannot expect this person to act the right way. This person is bound to send negative emotions, negative vibrations to the other. Now, the person who's receiving these negative vibrations still has an option to deal with it the right way. He has an option to deal with it soulfully, because he has to be empathetic about the other. If he's empathetic, if he understands that the person is actually going through pain, this little awareness that the person is going through pain, that the person is really not happy, this simple awareness is enough to create a positive cycle. All this person has to do is bless the other with sanity, with self-esteem, with happiness, with strength. Once he starts blessing, once he starts sending positive vibrations to the other, the cycle is started. And now this person who's experiencing jealousy, all he has to do is shift his perspective. It's a very, very simple solution, but a very powerful solution to deal with this negative emotion of jealousy. All one has to do is shift one's perspective from I lack to I can learn. Stop looking at things that he lacks. He should stop looking at things that he does not have and start looking at what he can have by learning, by becoming better. He should start looking at the positive qualities that the other has to become what he is today, and start learning these positive qualities, start adapting these qualities in his own life. If he changes his perspective from I lack to I learn, it definitely results in his growth, because learning always results in growth. And when the person is growing, the person automatically raises his vibrations and he becomes a happier person. So all you have to do, if you are experiencing this negative emotion of jealousy, stop giving this pain to yourself. Start learning. Just shift your perspective from I lack to I can learn. So keep learning, keep growing, and keep living soulfully. Atma Namaste.